How to disable Instagram videos autoplay. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off autoplay videos on your Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Click on setting. Now click on account. All you need to do is scroll down and click on cellular data use. Now click on data saver. Now when you turn this option on, your automatically autoplay videos gonna stop, and data saver and videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So it was so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.